In the previous class, I gave you a concept called energy transfer. So in thermodynamics, we are interested in transfer of energy. So obviously there should be certain modes or mediums through which the energy has to be transferred. So what are the modes of energy transfer? So broadly speaking, the energy transfer can happen by two means, either by heat or by work. Okay, so heat and work are actually misunderstood as energies, but they are not energies. They are neither energies nor forms of energy. We'll talk about this more in detail in the next lecture, but for the time being, I have given an introduction that what is heat and work. So heat and work are basically the modes of energy transfer, and heat, you can consider this as to be disorganized mode of energy transfer, and it is considered to be the lower grade of energy transfer. Why I'm calling this as to be lower grade? Because it is available naturally. You don't have to do anything processing for that. It's naturally and readily available. Then we talk about work. So work is an organized mode of energy transfer, and it is considered as the higher grade of energy transfer. And why is it called higher grade? Because this is not naturally available. You need to process something in order to use. It cannot be used directly. It needs to be processed, okay, for its use. Now, what is the aim of thermodynamics? The aim of thermodynamics is basically in order to convert heat into work. Okay, so heat is what? It's a disorganized mode of energy transfer. So entire thermodynamics deals with the effort of converting this disorganized mode of energy transfer into organized mode of energy transfer effectively. So our purpose and our purpose is to how effectively we can convert this heat into work. So we keep on increasing the efficiency and so on. So we keep on improving our devices in order to convert this lower grade form of energy to higher grade grade mode of energy transfer to higher grade mode of energy transfer. Okay, so we will just break the myths of heat and work in the next lecture, and I will explain this, what is heat and work actually, in the next lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.